Over 10 million visitors, 100,000 leads, and over $200,000 generated using this copy and paste sales system. If you are an affiliate marketer right now watching this video, you really want to listen to me carefully through this video for you to understand how you can copy and paste this system and generate multiple sales for yourself, affiliating for any kind of product in the world. My name is Joshua Mba, and I'm considered and mostly called King of Sales Funnel. I'm currently the co-founder of Stakeout and also Blockchain Hub Africa. I have a movement of business owners who sell products and services online, and that community is called Funnel Hackers Club. This is something I've done actively for many years of my life, and today I want to leak out this information for people who are affiliate marketers, strictly affiliate marketers. That means if you're not an affiliate marketer, you want to skip this video and then move ahead. But if you're an affiliate marketer, I want you to stick carefully to this video to the very end. Now, if you want to promote the product of an affiliate marketer, there are a couple of things you need to get right. Number one thing you need to get right is you need to know the product you want to sell, right? The next thing you want to do is you want to build out a sales process for it. And the last thing you want to do is to plug it to a traffic source. But the problem is always you have the product, but you don't know how to build a perfect sales process for it. And that means you can't, even if you plug it to a good traffic source, you're not going to make money from it. That's when you hear people who are affiliate marketers making 1, 2, 3, or even 0 sales in a day, when you should be making multiple sales. So I want to give you an access to a copy and paste system. That means you don't need to think about how to build the sales process. You just need to copy the sales process, apply it for any product you are currently affiliating with, and then drive sales for it when you plug it to a traffic source. I'm going to break it down for you. For example, if you want to drive sales for XYZ product, let me use for example my own the advanced sales funnel and sales page design course, right? Let's say for example that's the product you want to affiliate for, and it's currently listed in affiliate marketing platforms around the country and beyond. You want to affiliate for that product. What you first need is let me start from the front. You need the Facebook ads or advertising ad, a content you want to put out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, in all of the platforms, write it as a Medium post that will attract leads who are interested in buying this product or this course, as the case may be now. When you write that, you want something that really can convert. The next thing is that you want to have a sales copy. A sales copy is what will help you close up the sales fast. For some persons who are closing sales on WhatsApp, with a sales copy, when you get them to your WhatsApp, you use the sales copy to close them to buying that product. And the next thing you want to do if you're not closing on WhatsApp is to have this thing built out on your website. I'm a big fan of telling you to build it on your website because it's going to save you the stress. You don't need to talk to anybody every day, keep typing. You are just going to automate the whole process. Of course, you can automate with your WhatsApp too, but building out on your website makes it very easy for someone to click through any of these platforms, come to your website, and get it done. So this is how it works. What I now did for you as a copy and sales system is that I perfected a high converting Facebook copy. So you don't need to think about how do I write it. All you just need to do is collect the copy, take the name of the product, insert it in the copy, take the feature of the product, insert it in the copy, take the sales copy we have written for you to close up your sales for that product, take the name of the product, insert. That means you can use it for multiple affiliate products you are selling, right? Just insert, you have it done. And then for your website, I have designed a sales page that I use for myself, a high converting sales page. I designed it. In fact, it's my very own. When you get that sales page, you see my face and picture there to tell you that it's my very own. I use it myself. You're going to just download it, install it on your website, copy these things, paste it, and then plug it to a traffic source. You can literally do this in 10 minutes. And I want to save you that stress. So download the DFY. It's called the Done For You. That means I've done the work for you. You just have to copy it and paste. Download the Done For You affiliate marketing sales system right now by clicking the link below this video or around this video, depending when you're watching it, or just go to my website www.mbacjoshua.com/DFY. and go to the link attached to this video and purchase this right now. What I'm doing now is I've slashed the price to a very, very crazily so cheap. If you're going to pay for these things, I have variation of Facebook copies you can pick from. I have variation of sales copies you can pick from. I have variations of lead sales pages and high converting sales page designs templates you can just import on your website. And what I even did was I even gave out plugins that you can use to import these templates on your website, which is worth a lot of money, but I give it out for free. And of course, I've also added a free training section where I'm going to train you on how to close up sales fast. I added it to this done for you system, so you literally have everything in your hands to close more sales as an affiliate marketer. I want you to hurry now because I'm a very smart person. When I get a lot of people buying, I'm going to shut it down permanently. But I want you to own this done for you system right now. You're going to own it, and if I make update to it in the future, you're also going to get the update for yourself. And I'm doing that at a rigorous discount price right now. So click the link below, rush to my website, pay for it, and then have access to it before I increase the price. Of course, I will increase the price. Will I increase the price? Yes, I will increase the price, and I'm going to increase it exponentially times 2, times 2, times 2. So the price it is now, by the time you're coming back, you're going to see times 2 of the current price. By the time you're coming back, you're going to see times 2 of the next price. So I don't want you to miss out. Click the link right now. See the details on my website and pay for it. I want to see it done for you. And of course, I added a WhatsApp group. So once you purchase this book, you're going to join the WhatsApp community where you get to ask me questions, learn from other affiliate marketers across the country, and grow your own affiliate marketing business. So click the link below now and buy this book. I want to see you there in the Done For You system, sales system. See you.